Okay, now moving on to the next question. This question is a very straightforward question. They are asking the scheme and the the area in which they are actually functioning. The FAME India scheme. It's actually the acronym is it's actually an acronym for faster adoption and faster adoption and mobile electrification in their scheme, right? So it's actually for electric and hybrid vehicle. It's actually correct. It's actually correct. Then PMMITRA Parks is there. MITRA Parks again it's actually short for Mega Integrated Textile Parks, right? So this question is also correct. Integrated textile value chain from farm to forest is also correct. Okay, so if you know that broadly that particular scheme is related to a particular type of sector, then you can correct it. National Technical Textiles positions India as a head of technical is also correct. India Footwear and Leather Development Program, technological upgradation and export promotion footwear sector, correct. Right, so even if you don't know the exact fact, just read the question and think you can actually use it, common sense and common logic to solve it, right? So 1, 2, 3 and 4 is answer. Okay, although it's a big question, it's very straightforward.